Hello everyone, my name is Ryan, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how you add video to your website. So I'm going to start off by going to the HTML tag reference, and the tag that we're going to use is known as the video tag. This is a new tag that's been introduced in HTML version 5, and it looks very much the same as the audio tag we learned about in the previous video. So it's got an opening tag and a closing tag. It's also got several source tags within that video tag, and this allows you to specify multiple formats for your video. So in this example, the video is in MP4 format, and it's also in OGG format. So the browser will first try the MP4 version of the file. If that's not present, it will revert to using the OGG format of the file, and as a last resort, it will display a text message to the user informing them that their browser does not support the video tag. Notice the introduction of both the width and a height property to specify the dimensions of the video, and then we also have the controls property like we did with the audio tag, which will give us the play button and the volume control and so on. The different formats supported by the video tag are the MP4, WebM, and OGG, but you'll see that not all browsers support all these formats. Your most reliable format is actually MP4. So if we go down, you'll see that there are different MIME types for each of the videos. The MIME type, remember, we specify inside the source tag for each video. And then if we look at the different attributes, autoplay will start the video automatically when the page loads, and then we also have loop to loop the video over and over again. We could also start the video muted so that no one can hear any sound. So let's go ahead and start adding some video to our page. So I'm going to start with a paragraph, and within the paragraph I'm going to add a video tag. I'm going to put some controls on so people can see what's going on. And then within there we're going to add a source property. Now I've already downloaded a video in my media subfolder called video.mp4. Don't forget the type property. And as soon as I put that in, you can actually see the video is ready to play. Don't forget to also specify some alternatives for browsers that do not support this. You could put just a text message, but I like to actually put in a hyperlink so that people can download the video for themselves. Because if they can download it, they can use their own software on their own machine to watch the video. Remember, this hyperlink will not show up unless the browser does not support displaying the video. So there's my video. If I hit play, it should start the video. And then of course I can fast forward within the video. I can go full screen within the video, and I can adjust the volume of the video. To start the video automatically, just put in autoplay as a property. Now when I refresh, the video starts automatically. You can also have the video loop by setting the loop property. So now if I refresh, go to the end of the video, it jumps back to the beginning. If we want the video to start up muted by default, we can just say muted. Notice the volume is now being muted by default. So that is how you add video using HTML, and it's supported by most browsers now, so this is a highly recommended way of doing it. The one disadvantage of inserting video in this way is that you have to host the video yourself, and you'll end up paying for the bandwidth people are using to get to your video. A better alternative would be to actually upload your video to YouTube. So let me show you how to do that. We'll go to YouTube, and you'll create a free account, sign in with your account, and then upload your video. And let me just pick a video that already exists. I'll take this one over here. Okay, that's an advert. But now what we're going to do is we're going to go down to where it says share, and you'll see there's 3 different options here. We're going to choose the middle option, embed, and it gives us some HTML code that we're going to copy. It's actually an iframe, so we'll replace the video tag with an iframe, and notice how it has pulled in the YouTube video into an inline frame into our page. You'll remember we used the iframe tag in an earlier video to load a website. Now we're using it to download a video from YouTube. And now we can just play the video. You can maximize the video just as before, but the advantage is that YouTube is paying for the bandwidth and not us. So if you want to host a lot of video, or you expect a lot of people to be watching your video, it may be worthwhile rather uploading your video to YouTube. So that brings us to the end of inserting video into our website.